In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file for Cyberpunk. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And now go to this PC, C drive, username, find saved games option. Now find CD Project Red, Cyberpunk, open any one of the auto save folder. Before drag and drop the 100% save backup prevent game progress. Create a new folder on desktop and drag and drop these game progress inside. And now open the 100% complete save, drag and drop these files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and select the profile. And please successfully loads the 100% save. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.